Oh.
Hello.
Uh-huh.
Oh, somebody made a mess. Don't worry, she will help. Here she is, so yes. Police officer is on the way. Police officer will save the day. Who made all this mess around? Oh no, you're acting no good. Whoa!
Oh, I'm having so much fun. Nobody can get me.
One, two, three, 4, 5. Wow! Woo-hoo-hoo! Great!
I can use my magic wand, make everything big and
Aha.
super wow. Ooh la la, magic wand,
1,
make me big
2,
and super wow.
3, 4,
Yay.
5,
Huh?
6,
I'm
7,
so
8,
big, it's like a
9,
dream. Everything
0.
is so tiny.
Aha. Yeah!
Rainbow juice, a fruity dream come true.
Ayo.
Can I have that color blue? Oh, we just run out of blue. I will find that color blue for my yummy juice.
Wow!
You have to find that fruit with the color blue. Oh, blueberries! Yummy juice in a
Fantastic.
glass, so colorful and so. It's a
Whoa!
thousand goodies, till these
Plain
wonderful
wow!
puppies. So many shapes.
Hill?
small
Yeah!
animals. Where do they
Ayo.
go? Where do
Canyon?
they go?
Hello! Plateau?
It's a kitty.
Mountain?
Little kitty, kitty, kitty.
Fantastic.
Little kitty.
Aha!
Magic water
Woohoo!
toy. Magic water toy. It takes the colors away. All I have to do is splash, splash this way. I lost my perfect
Ew.
color. What can I do?
Whoa!
Green, green color, where are you? Magic fruits will help me now.
Yeah!
Or pink, yellow or blue.
Woohoo!
Purple, green, which
Fantastic.
one to choose?
Hello!
I can see you tell my
Wow.
little mermaid friend. Oh no,
Woohoo!
where have you
Fantastic.
gone? I can find you anywhere. We lost our little mermaid
Whoa.
friend. Maybe she's in trouble and needs our help.
Subscribe!
It's time for school. Get
Oh.
ready, get ready. When it's time for school, what do we have to do?
What?
In our morning routine, you have to brush your teeth.
Wow!
Find the toothbrush that you need. Brush them well, make it right. Up and down, yeah, that's right. In our morning routine, you have to choose your shoes. Find the shoes that are good for you.
Cool.
to brush
Glitter.
my teeth.
Aha!
Here's the toothbrush and some toothpaste, please.
Oh, oh, wait a bit, my dear.
Let's go!
Make some simple
Wow!
rules clear. Brush your teeth
Yeah!
every day, do it carefully. Brush your teeth and then play when your teeth are clean.
Heyo!
Brush your teeth
Wow.
every day, that is so easy. My white teeth
Whoa.
smile to you, and your one
Firefighter.
smile to me.
Oh. Uh-huh.
How do I brush my
Policeman.
teeth?
Great!
When I want to be baby, I can do it on my own. It's so easy, you will see. Yeah, 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 yeah. I gotta run to the bathroom. I gotta find my backseat.
Yes!
It's so. What's that? What's that? What's that sound? It's scary, creepy, and so loud. What's that? What's that? What's that sound? Hurry up and help me out. It's a ghost. I think it's
Wow.
coming from over there.
Yeah!
Or maybe it's coming from up here. It's a puzzle game, let's do this. Till it's puzzle piece by piece.
Yeah!
So many shapes, eyes, mouth, and nose. Where do they go? Where do they go? It's a kitty. Little kitty, kitty, kitty. Little kitty, kitty, kitty. Little kitty, you're so cute. Kitty, I love you. Meow, meow,
Wow!
meow,
Yeah!
meow, meow. It's
Goodbye!
What?
Heyo!
Play with that is so much fun. Hey, stop! Yuck, yuck, yuck! Where is the water hose? Here I come! I will
Ew.
catch you. Run, run, run!
Good job! Woohoo! Yeah!
Say, gotta move like me, move like me,
Yellow.
move like me.
Wow. Green.
Gotta move like me, move like
Red.
me.
Yellow.
I'm gonna bring the
Wow.
head.
Orange.
All the eyes on me. 1, 2, 3.
Red.
Hips going left,
Blue.
going right. Tell your girl that you
Fantastic.
didn't see.
Purple.
Wow. It's so hard to put a window on my pretty princess tower. Little fingers, time to show off. You can all work together and help me out. Family fingers helping each other. We're such a great team. We are all
Wow.
we need.
Good job!
Fingers helping each other.
Okay.
There is one in the bed, and the baby said, "What is that? I am scared." So one got in, and now there's two.
Tissue!
There's two in the bed. There's two in the bed. There's two in the bed. The more, the better. There were two in the bed, and the
Patches.
baby said, "What is that? I am
Toothpaste.
scared." So one got in, and now there's three. There's three. Do you see?
house. I wonder what it looks like on the inside. It's so dark and scary, I'm so afraid. I'm sure there is a monster somewhere around here. I will call my superhero friend to save the day. My superhero friend always keeps me safe. I don't wanna go to school today. Hey Blue, come over here. I am scared they will know I'm not there. I have a treat to show